Welcome to C49 Hockey Breaks box break number 40. Approaching the road to 50. But today, box break number 40, we have a box of 1718 SP Authentic. Box number 511. We have broken this product once or twice before on the channel, but SP Authentic is always a good product for the price point, so figured we'd break it again. Recently found out that the Austin Matthews inscribed future watches that should have been in 1617 are actually inserted in 1718. They held them back for whatever reason, so hopefully we can pull one of those today. Whoop, no, that's just a regular base, my bad. We have an Authentic Moments of Leon Draisaitl. May 7th, 2007, Draisaitl's big game leads Oilers past Ducks. Looks like he had a hat trick. Yep, hat trick on the top puck, holding 3 pucks there. So, moving on, second pack, left side. Ooh, not a bad hit here. We have a sign of the times, inscribed, 2-time Stanley Cup champion, number 27 of 50, Connor Sheary. Nice hit there. But I don't have anything to put them in, but let's, don't really have much room here, but kind of covered up, but it's back there. You can see it decently. So, all right, that is our first autograph. So our next auto should be a future watch, or we might get 2 future watches, get the bonus third auto. So we have a future watch non-autoed of Callie Rosen. That is numbered 500 of 999, and in that same pack, we got a rookie year milestones of Jake Gunzel. Three more packs here from the left side. We have an Authentic Moments, Corey Perry, May 5th, 2017, Perry Nets winner after fierce Ducks comeback. We have another Milestones rookie year of Mike Bossy. Last pack from the left side. We have an Authentic Moments. Some guy, don't even know how to pronounce his name. But apparently February 16th, 2007, he records his 1,000th career point. Quite interesting. I have not heard of a guy who has 1,000 career points. Must not be very good. Moving on, we have an Authentic Moments of Austin Matthews. 16-17 season, Matthews named top rookie. And we have a red base parallel of PK Subban. We have a update of Paul Stastny. Oh, it seems like an extra thick decoy, but maybe not. We have a Spectrum FX of Carey Price. Second last pack from the middle row. We have a Spectrum FX Future Watch of Jakob Forsbacka Karlsson. Jakob Forsbacka Karlsson. And last pack from the middle gives us, ooh, not too shabby. He off to a hot start in his career. Future Watch Auto number 346 of 999, Aiden Hill. I do believe he won quite a few of his first games, unless I am mistaken and thinking of a different goalie, which is probably quite possible. I don't watch much besides the Capitals, the Leafs, the Blues, the Oilers, and the Canucks. Really about the only 5 teams that I watch this year. We have a Young Guns of Colby Cave. So that is possibly our last auto. We might get the bonus of, can sometimes get 3 in 17-18. Really struggling with that pack. We have a Rookie Year Milestones of Steve Yzerman, or if you're Bill Clinton, Steve Zierman. We have a red base parallel of Colton Parayko. Three more packs. We have an update card of Peter Mrazek. We have a red base parallel of Jamie Benn. And last pack. We have an update of Thomas Tatar. Just quickly fire off through the recap here. Not even gonna say that is a bunch of base. Put that in the wrong pile. last but certainly not least, are hits. We have the Future Watch of Aiden Hill, Future Watch Auto, 346 of 999. And we have the inscribed Sign of the Times Connor Sheary, 27 of 50, two-time SC champs, two-time Stanley Cup champion, Connor Sheary. Well, folks, that does it for break number 40. If you enjoyed this break, leave a like, comment below what you would like to see broken on future breaks, and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future breaks.